Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all notifications on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Here's how to delete all notifications on your iPhone. Now, if you got a bunch of notifications, whether they're emails, messages, texts, whatever they may be, you can always delete all of those so you clear out your notification center. I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing that you need to do is just swipe down from the top left of your iPhone, and then on all of these notifications, all we're going to do is swipe to the left and hit that clear button that will delete out all of these notifications. You can see now that they are all gone and disappeared. Now, this is the easiest thing that you can do to clear out those notifications. Keep in mind sometimes that you have badges on the app itself that says maybe you have an unread email or an unread text message, something like that. If you wanted to completely remove these notifications, you can always just hop into settings, tap on notifications here, and then you can see at the very top I have count, stack, or list, and you can always just turn this off if you don't want all these notifications to be showing up either on your lock screen or your home screen. So you can go in here and basically turn off any of these different ones or switch it from list to stack to count if you want a different view of these notifications. And then under here, under show previews, you can make sure that it is set to never, so that basically other people cannot be able to see those notifications even though that you're not on your phone itself. Nobody can just walk by and tap on it and see what message, text message, email, whatever you got. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.